we are looking like a little something something. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gabby J. So I've got one. So I take this, right, I put it under my table, right, and it's standing, right, understanding. Don't leave me.
You got me high, oh girl. You got me feeling fly, oh girl.
So you remember this hair, right? I'm still rocking it. Like, don't I look good? So hi guys, I'm literally tired of saying hi guys. I mean, I've been on YouTube for like 3 months. We should be besties now. Hey besties, what's popping? What's going on? What's good? You about to lose your job. You about to lose your job.
You about to lose your job. You about to lose your job.
So, as you already know from the thumbnail or from the description, I'm about to give you guys some tips and tricks to how I film my YouTube video. Some of you have a YouTube channel already, but you're thinking, how do I make videos? Or you've not even started the channel and you want to start and you're still thinking how you're going to make videos. Say no more, your bestie is here. Your bestie got you, okay? So get a pen, jot things down so that you can be able to take things away.
So jot things down in order to be able to take things away.
So I hear some people be like, okay, this is my Canon 63X9 Sony XYZ and it's just 150,000, and oh yeah, I use my ring light and it's just 32,000 naira. I also use a microphone, it's just 15,000 naira.
Really, nigga?
Where do you want to get all that kind of money from? You just started YouTube, they've never started paying you, you want to spend over 200,000 naira. You ain't got the money, so what do you want to do? Improvise. That's all you need to do, okay? So I'm going to give you tips on how to film your video under a very good budget. So all you need to have is your phone. First of all, have your phone. If your phone is an iPhone, perfect. If it's an Android, I'm not so sure. Just make sure the camera quality is really good. I use an iPhone 7 and it's great, it's clear. You guys have seen my videos, it's not that bad. Even if you have lower iPhone, it's still very good. You can, if it's as clear as mine, then you're good to go. You don't need Sony XYZ, okay? You just use your phone. That's the first thing you need. The second is good lighting, guys. You need good lighting. Like right now, my phone is literally on the window, like I'm facing the window. You have the sun, even though the sun is really not so clear right now. You have the sun, okay? Use the sun, use the God-given light, okay? It's going to be really good on you, like it is on me. So all you need to do is just place your camera on the window, or just stack books. If there's no space by your window, just stack books and place your camera and you're good to go. When you get your phone, you get good lighting place-ish. You want to clean your lenses, okay? Clean the lenses on your phone. If you have a broken screen guard, like the crack is disturbing just change your screen guard. It doesn't cost you anything. Change your screen guard, or you get a good screen if it's your screen, okay? Change your screen because it really helps. If your screen is cracked, it's going to affect how you look on the video, you understand? So change your screen and make it clean. If it's not cracked, then clean it. You could use hanky or something, clean your screen and you're good to go. Some of you are like jotting down things that I'm saying and you've actually really not subscribed. What is this? What's going on? Subscribe, come on. So once you've gotten your phone, gotten good lighting, cleaned your lenses, then you move to filming, okay? So I place my phone horizontally just so that you don't appear like this.
Guys,
it's Jane. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I missed you guys so much.
If you're not about to let those two bars show, which is really annoying, then place your phone horizontally. And if you don't know what horizontal is like this, vertical it's like this. So place your phone like this, okay, so that you get a very full view and you're good to go. After placing your phone horizontally, you want to make sure you have enough storage on your iPhone or your Android, whatever device you're going to be using. Make sure there's enough storage. You're not about to start filming and then you just film for like 1 second and then it's showing you iPhone storage full. That's so annoying, okay? So make sure you have enough storage on your phone. Once you have enough storage, that's all. Start filming. You can use your front or back camera. I like to use my front camera so that I can be looking at myself and be feeling myself, okay? Front camera, your back camera, any which way. I think the back camera is best because it's like more clearer than the front camera, but I like to use my front camera, okay? So you can use whatever you want, whatever suits you, and then just go start making your videos. You're good to go, girl. You don't need so much. You don't need all of that. You don't need to spend so much money to film. After filming, you go into editing. I'm going to leave that one for another video. If you want to know how I edit my videos, just go to my comment section, bestie. Drop something, okay? Then I'm going to listen to you. I'm going to drop that video. I'm going to drop it like it's hot. So guys, that's all for my tips and tricks on how I film my videos. Like I said, if you want to know how I edit, just go to my comment section and tell me, and I'm going to drop a detailed video on how I edit my videos, the app I use, and all of that good stuff. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that thing that looks like this. You know that thing that looks like this? Yeah. And guess what? It's totally free. Also, make sure you hit the subscription button. And guess what? It's totally free too. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.